And I have to tell you, with the exception of real pirates, this is the next closest thing.
Pirate Fest is going on today, and we're doing this event to introduce our visitors to Fairfax County's cultural resources and our rich maritime history in Virginia. People don't normally associate pirates with Virginia, but there were pirates here, and we had several ports that are close by that were used for shipping, Alexandria, Occoquan, and Colchester. So we just want people to get a feel for the rich history of Fairfax.
Life of a pirate with a freedom to take.
We have music, which you can hear in the background. Behind me, we have the Moody crew, and they are demonstrating all sorts of nautical skills. We have fencing. The Baron, it has been disguised. It is the Lake Fairfax tour boat, and Captain Blood is taking groups of would-be pirates out on the lake today. We have vendors here today who are selling a variety of merchandise. Some are selling things that would be reproductions of items that you would find carried on ships across both the Pacific and Atlantic 200 years ago. Just across the yard, we have an area for children. There's a rope climbing activity, there are stocks, and there are signs for the stocks that they can put around their necks that indicate their punishment. This is the second year that we've done Pirate Fest, and each year it changes a little bit, and we plan to do it again next year.